Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to make a liver for the meat. So this is Helen Sinamar. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to be updated for more videos from one how I make this and serve like this. Let's go! So for the ingredients, we need liver of the meat, garlic, tomatoes cut into small pieces. We also need onion, bell pepper cut into small pieces also, 1 tomato paste, cooking oil. We also need soy sauce or soya sauce, and 1 Maggi cubes, the beef liver. For the spices, we need black pepper, curry powder, meat spices, cumin powder, turmeric powder, curry powder, and a little bit of coriander powder. So first step, we're going to cut the liver into small pieces, and then we're going to boil the water. So when it gets boiled, we're going to put our liver and let it get cooked in the water. So while the liver is boiling, we're going to make the sauce for the liver. So in a pan, we're going to add a little bit of cooking oil, and then when it gets hot, add the garlic. Let it cook a little bit. And when it's a little bit brown, add the onion. And let the onion cook a little bit also. Then add the tomato. This recipe, guys, is an Arabic food. They call it shabzi or shabde or liver of the karub. Then just mix it. So when the meat is boiling, or the liver, we're going to remove the white one or the black one at the top of the water. Ang tawag niyan ay sego. Then we add the bell pepper to our sauce. Just mix it. So it's simple and easy to make. Then add the Maggi, the meat flavor. Then mix. Then we put all the spices. Then 1 tomato paste. Then just mix it. Then we add a little bit of the soy sauce or the soya sauce. You can use any soya sauce or seasoned Maggi in your recipe. Any flavor you have available in your home. So as you can see, it's almost done. So we see our liver when it's done. So as you can see, it's done. So we're going to put it on the top of our sauce. Then we're going to mix it. So just simple and easy as that. But if you want more tasty to your liver, you can put some spices while it gets boiled. So that's it. So you can eat it with bread or kubus or rice. Cover it for 5 to 10 minutes on a low medium fire, and then serve. So time to serve. So simple as that. So I hope you learned something new for today's recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe, click like and share, and comment down below if you have a question. So thank you guys for watching. God bless us all, and Bye bye.